Rivers contain about 1% of all liquid freshwater on Earth, yet are one of our most accessible and important sources of water. Before, we were limited to what we could measure from the shore, leaving our global understanding of this vital resource incomplete. But now the Surface Water and Ocean Topography satellite mission, known as SWOT, is changing that. By mapping changes in water height continuously and globally, we finally see the full picture of a story we've been tracking for thousands of years. In just 1 year, SWOT continuously monitored nearly 127,000 rivers around the world, something never done before in human history. It mapped the shape of river channels and tracked the changes in water storage month by month. A view never seen before at such a dramatic and dynamic scale. Let's take a closer look. One notable example is the Mississippi River in the United States. Stretching from Minnesota to the southern coast of Louisiana, the Mississippi supports rich wetlands and wildlife along its entire path. It is also a backbone of the American economy, carrying crops and energy supplies while providing water, transportation, and jobs for millions of people. You may notice the river shifting from a white to a deep blue. Those color changes show the river rising and falling over time. SWOT tracks this by sending microwave signals down to the water and measuring how long they take to bounce back, helping scientists see how the river changes from season to season. Another striking example is the Amazon River. Even during a year marked by drought, the Amazon changed more than any other river on Earth. Over the course of the year, it gained and lost more than 45 trillion gallons of water. That is enough water to cover the entire state of California in more than a foot of water, or fill about 68 million Olympic-sized swimming pools. In this visualization, you can see water surging through the landscape. Along the Amazon River, the surrounding ecosystems transform from a light green to a deep, rich green as the seasons change. As the floodwaters spread across the Amazon River basin, they enrich forests and wetlands, replenishing nutrients and sustaining one of the most vibrant ecosystems on Earth. Now, turn to Central Africa and the powerful Congo River. The Congo River carries more water than almost any river on Earth, and it is the deepest river on the planet. Like the Amazon River, the Congo carries water from the continent's heart to the sea, shaping ecosystems along its path. Now we move to South Asia and the sacred Ganges River. Here we see the Ganges cycles through the seasons, revealing dramatic changes throughout the year. High in the Himalayas, winter snow blankets the mountains. As temperatures rise, snowmelt begins to feed the river, contributing steadily to its flow. With the arrival of the monsoon, rain adds even more water, and the river expands across the plains. You can see these seasonal shifts ripple from the mountains downstream. Snowmelt and rain combine to swell the river channels, revitalizing the landscape. Finally, we turn to East Asia and the mighty Yangze River. Stretching thousands of miles across China, the river flows from the Tibetan Plateau to the East China Sea. As the river flow increases, surrounding landscapes deepen in green, especially across the fertile agricultural regions. The river's seasonal rhythm supports some of the most densely populated areas on Earth, providing water for farming, transportation, and energy. From space, the SWOT mission captures what was once invisible to us, the way our planet's arteries pulse with water. By illuminating these vital waterways, SWOT marks a breakthrough in understanding Earth's interconnected systems. We are finally seeing a first-of-a-kind picture of the water that feeds our world. And this is just the beginning.